In this video, I'm going to share with you 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in December. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in December, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is Wednesday, October 2nd, 5:05 p.m., and I'm sitting at 35 sales for the day, 4 returns, and $79 in royalties. That is going to put me at $177 for the month. You can see last month I did $2,784, and I actually had a pretty big day the other day where I did over $200, so that was pretty cool. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So if you are a member on my YouTube channel, my members always get a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in 2 months. So since today, or we're right at the beginning of October, in 2 months it will be December, I have sent it out to them, and I want to give it a offer to you guys as well, to my subscribers who aren't members. And if you want, you can actually get 5 free prompts, and I do this every month. Now, I had to sell these on PayShip, because for some reason I was having problems on Gumroad. I would try to upload it, but it just was not working. I don't know why. I've never had problems with Gumroad before. So I'm using Gumroad's competitor, which is PayHip. They're actually very simple, really easy to use. So all you have to do is just come in here. You can see it's a free download. Just click Add to Cart. Now, if you end up liking these prompts and you want 95 more prompts, you can click on the second link in the description. You can get 100 prompts for trending December niches for only $9.99. All you have to do is just click Add to Cart and type in your credit card information. But let's go ahead and take a look at those 5 freebies that I have for you. So this is the Word file right here for 5 free prompts for December, and the first one is going to be gazpacho. Now, the way that I have these this Word file broken down, it's basically into 5 categories. So you're going to have about 20 food prompts, 20 animal prompts, 20 like health and awareness prompts, 20 occupation prompts, career prompts, and then 20 federal prompts, like Independence Days for certain countries. All right, and what I did is I actually picked one from each category. So you're going to see this first one is a food one, and it is gazpacho. And if we go to Google, we're going to see that, excuse me, that National Gazpacho Day is on December 6th. So that's why this will be trending. If you don't know what gazpacho is, it's basically this Italian soup, I believe. It's actually pretty good. Let's go ahead and take a look at the prompt. So if we go to Ideogram right here, and I'm just going to go to private. I need to go to where I can search. So let's see if I can just find it right here. So if we scroll down to the bottom, we're going to see, I believe it is this one right here. Yeah, so it's always time for gazpacho. This actually turned out really nice in my opinion. I love this style of designs where you have text on the top, text on the bottom, and then the image or the clip art in the middle. So it's always time for gazpacho, and this is a popular phrase you can use for a lot of different types of food. So it's always time for pancakes, it's always time for waffles, it's always time for bacon. So this can be scaled, but it's turned out really nice, good looking font, very clean, and I believe everything is spelled correctly. So that's the first one. Next one is going to be National Cat Lovers Month, and there was a bunch of prompts for these ones. So this one is Hug Me Right Now. Let's go ahead and see if we can find that one. So Hug Me Right Now, if we go up to it, so it's going to be this one, very cute little cat one with the paws right here, Hug Me Right Now. Now, I did check all of these for trademark, but you never want to take my word for it. You know, I'm just some random guy on the internet, so always do your research, keep your account safe, and make sure you check, just to make sure that nothing happens to you. But that is going to be the second free one that I have for you. The third one is going to be World AIDS Day. So December 1st is World AIDS Day, and the prompt is, let's see, what is it? Know your status. Yeah, so know your status. Let's see if we can find that one. So let's go ahead and take a look at the health one. So it should be, yeah, so here we are in the health one. So it's going to be this one right here, know your status. So the color for the ribbon is going to be red. So know your status right here, very simple looking design right there. And then the fourth one is going to be, what do we got here? Oh, so Bartender Appreciation Week. And don't forget to tip your bartender. So let's go ahead and see if we can find that one. So it's going to be somewhere right around here. Yeah, don't forget to tip your bartender. This turned out pretty nice. You got some clip art on the side. Oh, I got a sale. Let's see if it was a big one or not. Okay, oh no, only 45 cents, so I got to raise the price on that one. But let's go back here. Let's turn the volume up. Let's go back here and take a look at this prompt. Yeah, so very nice, good looking font, some accents on the side. I think it looks nice. Don't forget to tip your bartender. Good for Q4 because people will be searching for bartending gifts for like mom, dad, cousin, brother, things like that. And then the last one is going to be Portugal Independence Day. So December 1st is Portugal Independence Day. And what do we got here? You can't scare me. My wife is Portuguese. So let's go back and take a look at that one. Okay, so you right here. You can't scare me. My wife is Portuguese. This is a another popular design style. Anytime there's like an Independence Day, whether it's for like Germany, for France, Canada, you can say you can't scare me. My wife is Canadian. My wife is French, and then you basically put a flag of that country right there, and you get a good design. I've seen this design style sell pretty well. So that is the fifth one. And again, if you want these for free, all you have to do is just come here and click in Add to Cart. And then if you want all the other ones, or 95 more. For niches that will be trending in December, you can click on the second link in the description. Also have it as a pinned comment, and you can get 95 more prompts for only $9.99. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of those prompts so you can get an idea of what you will get if you do decide to purchase them. Okay, so we're going to start with the federal one. So it's Slovenian Independence Day, someday in December. I think it's actually the 26th, which is kind of weird, which is right after Christmas, but who knows? Sorry, let me take a quick sip of coffee there. So not Slovenian, but supportive. I'm not yelling, I'm Slovenian. I don't need therapy. I just need to go to Slovenia. It's also going to be Independence Day for India. So I hate being sexy, but I'm Indian, so I can't help it. That's a funny one. Just a very simple one with the flag. I think this will do well. India, another India one. If you love a Finn, raise your hand. If not, raise your standards. So it's going to be Independence Day for Finland in December. Nobody is perfect unless you are Finnish. Finland, and then Romanian. I'm Romanian. To save time, let's just assume I'm never wrong. Not your average Romanian. I actually have two there. Happiness is being married to a Romanian. And again, we see this one, like the Portuguese one. I'm not yelling, I'm Romanian. I may live in the USA, but my story began in Romania. So this is for someone that is Romanian that's living in the United States. Here, those Portuguese one. I'm not yelling, I'm Portuguese. Don't make me use my Portuguese voice. Legends were born in Portugal. Portuguese food makes me happy. You can't scare me. My wife is Portuguese. So those are the federal ones. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the occupations that will be trending in December. And one of them is coal miner. So will mine. Okay, so sorry about that. My internet cut out right when I was recording. But like I was saying, the next section is going to be like the careers and the professions. And one of the careers that will be trending in December is coal miners. So here we have will mine coal for beer. Anytime you can take like any niche and just cross niche it with beer, it has a good chance to sell well. Here is retired coal miner. And then, again, there's a lot of professions that you can take and just cross niche it with retired or retirement. And it's a good way to kind of like niche down in that profession because sometimes they're too competitive, the niche. But if you cross niche it with retirement, it's a good way to get lower competition. Then we got a super hot coal miner stole my heart. So this is for like a wife or a woman whose husband is a coal miner. Coal miner 6 inches from hell. My favorite coal miner calls me mom. I'm a dad and a coal miner. Nothing scares me. Proud miner's wife. You think you're tired? I'm a coal miner. You don't know what tired is. I really like this one right here. Actually, these three turned out really nice. Coal miner, caution, flying tools, and offensive language likely. I don't always enjoy being a retired coal miner. Oh wait, yes I do. Proud to be a coal miner's daughter. So here we're seeing some of these designs being cross-niched with types of demographics, which is, I've talked a lot about that on my channel. The best thing to come out of a coal mine is the miner. Living the life of a coal miner's wife. West Virginia coal miner. Coal mining, it runs in the family. Then the next one is going to be bartender. So support your local bartender. Don't make me use my bartender voice. I'm sorry, the nice bartender's on vacation. Show me your tips. I'm a classy, sassy, and a bit smart, assy bartender, badass bartender, master mixologist, adult daycare director, aka the bartender. The bigger the tipper, the quicker the liquor. Here we're seeing some designs that kind of like rhyme. Those tend to do well. You guys saw this one already. Don't forget to tip your bartender. So those are the career and professional ones that I have for you. Now let's go ahead and take a look at those health and awareness ones. So There's more to my story for Crohn's awareness. So Crohn's awareness will be trending in December. I hate my guts. You can see here the color for Crohn's awareness is purple. Crohn's disease warriors are magical. My son's fight is my fight. Crohn's disease warrior. Here we have the AIDS awareness, so end the shame, end the stigma. World AIDS Day, faith, hope, love. HIV AIDS awareness, support squad, know your status. Now we are getting to the animal niches that will be trending in December. So one of them, as you can see right here, is horses. Horse whisperer, you don't scare me, I ride a mare. I love you to the barn and back. Let's see what this one is. Don't know why it's not showing up. Oh, look at it. Oh, on white. Just a girl who loves chickens and horses. So here we're cross-niching horses with chickens. Next one is going to be the best dads have daughters who ride horses. My therapist eats hay. I'd rather be riding. Just a girl who loves horses. Life is better with horses. Cheetahs make me happy. I just really like cheetahs. Okay, this is my human costume. I'm really a cheetah. Good for Halloween. Always be yourself unless you can be a cheetah. Just a girl who loves cheetahs. This one is crane operator. Actually, I think I made a mistake here. I don't think this should be in here. I think these are actually for my members where I do those low competition evergreen niches. So whoops. So these two aren't included. That was a mistake on my part. Now we're getting into cats. So if we go back to the word file, we're going to see that cats, December 1st is National Cat Lovers Month. So cats, not kids. I love math and cats. I just really like calico, if I'm saying it right. Calico cats, okay. Life is better with cats. The day I stop loving cats will be the day I start breathing. I love lifting in cats, married with cats, OCD, obsessive cat disorder, coffee, cats, and yoga. I'd rather be at home with my cats, hug me right, meow. And now we're getting into the food one. So I'm into fitness, bacon in my mouth. I'm just a girl who loves sangria. You had me at sangria. Mama needs sangria. I wonder if maple syrup thinks about me too. Maple syrup. Whisperer, powered by maple syrup. Life is too short for fake maple syrup. Ice cream solves everything. I would maybe wear that because I love ice cream. Let's see, what is this one right here? Just a girl who loves ice cream. So another one on a white background. I've got the scoop. I'm just here for the free ice cream. Life is better with sprinkles. Y'all need brownies. So instead of y'all need Jesus, it's y'all need brownies. Gazpacho police. If you guys saw this one, it's always time for gazpacho. Just a girl who loves cotton candy. Cotton candy connoisseur. Brownies baker coordinator, and just a girl who really loves brownies. All right, so these are the 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in December. And again, if you're interested, you can get 5 free right here. And if you want 95 more, the ones I just showed you, just click on the other link and it'll take you to this page right here. And you can purchase the other 100 prompts, right? So that is going to be the video for today. Hope you guys are excited for Q4. Q4 just started, October 2nd. I'm hoping to, do over 3,000 in October and really get the sales starting to pump. I've been putting in work, as you guys know, this whole year. I'm still waking up every day at 5 a.m. and just uploading and working my butt off. But that is going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, and if you want to become a member, click the video somewhere around here where it says join, and you'll see the benefits that you get. You get daily trending niches. You get members only videos once a week of evergreen niches with prompts, and then you get those the word files of the 100 prompts for free. It's only like $10 a month. All right, so you get a lot of value there. If you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.